When I made my magazine Fusion, I used a lot of websites which I've never used before, like Photoshop, PhotoMonkey and SurveyMonkey, and Wix, which I used to create my blog. I also use websites like defunt.com, YouTube and Google Images. One website which I found very useful was SurveyMonkey, which I used during my audience research because it allows me to get information from my target audience about what they'd like to see in a magazine. This was particularly useful when I was trying to think of my unique feature for my magazine, because the results I got from SurveyMonkey showed that people wanted online features. So I incorporated this when making my final product by including follow features which they could then find online, like when I created my Spotify page. On PhotoMonkey I learned how to edit pictures, and I changed the brightness and contrast and features like airbrushing and changing spots and stuff. From doing my 2 photo shoots, I also learned how to position a camera to get the rule of thirds. This helps make my product look professional and structured well. At the start I didn't really know how to use Photoshop, so from watching the YouTube tutorials I learned how other Photoshop users create successful products. So I learned how to use the lasso tool and brightness effects and different coloured backgrounds. One crucial rule I learnt was that you should hold the shift key down whilst resizing your pictures, and if I hadn't learnt that, a lot of my pictures would have turned out of proportion, which wouldn't have looked good overall. So I can definitely say that throughout my time making my media product I've learnt a lot about different media websites and editing software, and which I can now use in future media production.